Okay, here we are in GitHub, looking at the Code tab for our repo. To change the settings to require pull requests for our master branch, we'll go over to the Settings tab. It's worth spelunking around here just to see what's what, but we'll keep our activity focused around the task at hand. We'll choose the Branches node and have a look at that. What we want to do is require pull requests on the master branch, which is a form of protecting the branch. So we use the Protected Branches Choose a Branch button to choose the master branch that we want to protect. When I do that, we see a page with some options about how we want to protect the branch. I'll first check Protect this branch, which will light up yet more options for us. For our purposes, I want every change to this branch to come from a pull request, even from me, and I'm the branch administrator since I created it. So the options I'll check are Require pull request reviews before merging, which gives yet more options that I don't need to worry about here, and Include administrators, and then save the changes. Since I'm the only real member of the project right now, I'll be undoing the Include administrators option for the approval clip coming up, but I want to show you how a prevented push is going to look. I'll explain this more in the approval clip. I see a note that the branch changes have been saved, which is good. So let's go verify. I'll go back to looking at the index.rst file and make another edit. When I do so, and then go down to the bottom of the page to commit the change, I no longer have the option to directly commit to master. The only option is to create a new branch and start a pull request. Excellent! I'll cancel this and we'll try a direct commit from VS Code just to double check things from that angle. Back in VS Code, I wanted to again first point out that the status bar is showing a change on the remote repo that I haven't pulled locally. I'll use the Get tab and then the menu option to pull from the remote branch. Don't confuse this pull that I'm doing with a pull request. The pull operation is just me pulling the latest changes from the remote master branch. A pull request is that whole workflow around reviews and then merging. Having done my pull, I'll make a change and save it, and then commit it. This is being done locally on my machine, so I haven't run into any problems yet. But when I try to push the change remotely, like we did earlier in this module, I now get an error message that says, try pull first. This is a bit misleading, and trying a pull won't help in this case. But if we open the Git log, we get a little bit more insightful messaging, which says that we've got a protected branch and at least one reviewer is required here. This is good, and exactly what we wanted. To undo my changes, I'll use the Git menu to undo my last commit. That will make my change pending again and ready for a commit. I can go up to the listed file in the Changes area and use the Undo button to discard my changes, which brings everything back to where we want to be. And our master branch has the desired level of control now imposed upon it. Join me in the next clip where we actually submit a pull request.